Maddie, can you open it? Right here.
Yay! Yay! Oh, do I have to collect all these? All right, thank you. Oh boy, it's good.
Maybe Grandpa Dave will help.
A little bit bigger piece, huh?
Here. Try that one. There you go. Keep pulling. Very good. Here. She likes the ribbon. She doesn't want to mess with that. Oh.
Oh, is that for me? Thank you. Come on down so I could do some too. So give us each pieces.
Oh, Maddie, you're funny. Here, pull this. Right here.
It's a big one.
Over there.
Oh. Can Charlie have a piece? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's easier to pull down.
Here.
Thank you. Kids always hand me their garbage.
Here you go.
Oh, good one. Good one.
Oh, what is it, Maddie? Oh.
Oh. Hmm.
She's starting to get interested.
There's something under this
Thank you.
paper. Oh, you need help? Is it
Yeah,
stuck?
give it a little tug there, Dave.
Oh,
I
good
got
job.
Thank you. Yeah, this could be a whole night project for.
This is why we're not opening presents at our birthday party.
Uh-huh.
The other kids might get a little bored and help her.
She might be off first. That was a good one.
Yay! Yay!
Keep going. Yay! What is it, Maddie?
Oh.
Can you say kitchen?
Oh. Are you excited it's a kitchen or excited for the paper?
He likes the paper. Here's a-
Should we open it?
Here.
I like my cup.
All right.
That's fine.